Tak jest. Wjeżdżam z rowerem. Kamera poszła. Zrobię taką ładną półkę, że mama powie, kurde, ale zrobiłeś półkę. Tutaj. No.
You seem to know something I don't. What's going on? Can you tell me what it is, please? I'm not that slow, like you think. Strange vibrations in the room and I can feel it.
Wstyd jest co robić.
I'm a hurricane, I'm bringing thunder and rain. I'm a hurricane if you get in my way. I'm a hurricane, always on top of my game. I'm a hurricane, I'm trying to Oh, you rolling punches, I'm catching scars. I brush you off just like the dust upon my shoulder. But I got the strength to blow you over.
A wiesz, obiadu nie macie?
My jakoś też niedługo chyba będziemy mieli.
I'm a hurricane, I'm bringing thunder and rain. I'm a hurricane if you get in my way. I'm a hurricane, always on top of my game. I'm a hurricane, I'm trying to get in my way. Hurricane, I'm bringing thunder and rain. I'm a hurricane if you get in my way. I'm a hurricane, always on top of my game. I'm a hurricane, I'm trying to get in my way.
Taraririririri.
I'm a hurricane, I'm bringing thunder and rain. I'm a hurricane if you get in my way. I'm a hurricane, always on top of my game. I'm a hurricane, I'm trying to get in my way. Hurricane, I'm bringing thunder and rain. I'm a hurricane if you get in my way. I'm a hurricane, always on top of my game. I'm a hurricane, I'm trying to get in my way.
Done. Let me present to you how to do it. I'm gonna demonstrate it. You need to lift the bike to the height you're gonna plan. I'm gonna tell you what height that might be. And then reach the hook. Done. Easy, extremely cheap. Now some details. Very simple things. A shelf, a hook, and some rope. And some system in order to mount the rope to the wall, to the concrete, to the wood, as in my case. You don't need 2 meters long shelf. This is going to be a shelf. It's gonna serve as a small shelf if the bike wasn't here in the future. But you need to measure a couple of things on your bike in order to get the system right. Number one, the wheelbase. You don't have to use long shelf. You can use like 2 times 40 centimeters long little shelves. Because your bike is not going to move front and rear a lot, just a little bit, see? So if you go by 7 centimeters each side over the tire here, which is touching the shelf, that's okay. Number 2, that's the height of the bike, because you want to make decision on the height of your shelf, meaning how high the bike will be. In this case, I can reach anything. I can use the table, workbench right here, no problem. It's pretty high, so I left just about 1 inch or more to the ceiling here. So the height of the bike will be also important, and the length of your, the width of your handlebars too, because then your bike will be tilting in a different way. So the length of the rope will be important here. This is very cheap, it doesn't cost much, and it takes just about 1 hour to actually make it, so I love it. This is the space. It's 3 meters by 2 meters here, and if this was long enough for another bike, we would have 4 bikes here, 4 bikes there, and even 1 more there if you wish. Just if you had a lot of bikes, not super heavy for lifting them up high. Great stuff. Yeah.